Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of lag on the application of Pokemon Go. We go to settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above here we search about Pokemon Go and we click. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store. You will search about Pokemon Go. Then you will uninstall your app and you will install it again. So that's all. Don't forget to support by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.